Hey, what's up everyone? Acer 456 here, back with another video on the Acer Track Santa East Playing Live Show, and welcome back to Acer Track Santa Season 2. We're continuing with Episode 5. So yeah, Season 2 has been on a roll. So it's been going pretty well, honestly. Yep. No, it shakes like that. Let me get back to that. That's better. Okay. So last time we did gift, rest, and shapes, but now we're going on to Santa's Jigsaw puzzle, and then Polar Plunge. If you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, smash that bell to miss a single video. And let me know in the comments down below for question of the day, which is your NORAD game here. Which NORAD game do you like best? Which one do you like most? NORAD. Wait, no, wait. What's your favorite soundtrack? NORAD or Google? I'll have to hear your things down below. And go for this. Get right into the video. So starting off with Santa Jigsaw puzzle. I got the music playing on my phone right now. Forgive me if you hear music playing. What music playing on that? We're not gonna move. Alright, so let's do this first puzzle here. Don't tell me. I can barely see all that. I'm gonna move up a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, this is tough. Let's see. Because not really much really different compared to that, so force me to do that. Anyhow, we'll get to the bottom of this. This will be a hard one. But that's not it. Okay. Hey, there we go. So we got that one right. Slowly and steady wins the race. 4 minutes now. I'm going to change this one before it's time. Just fix up my thing real quick. 5 minutes already. Well, 5 minutes left to play this game. And then move on. Okay, that one can fit. We got a few of the pieces in. That's not it. Oh my god. This one's hard. That fits. Alright. Oh, we got another piece in. Okay. Oh, it goes here. Another piece in. Oh man. Yeah, but a few seconds left. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Alright, everyone. We got 11 pieces complete. But now we need to move on to our next game, which is Polar Plunge. Ow! No, I traveled over the case. Oh no. Oh no, don't tell me. Please don't tell me it's not gonna be unsponsored. Okay, next game, Polar Plunge. Here we go. Turn off the music. Let's go. Okay. 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 Can't believe Really? Embarrassing. Hang on. Come on. Nothing last time. Oh my gosh. Feeling pretty good. It's because you have, best score was 7. Seriously? Oh, we got 9 this time. Alright. That's decent. I'm so glad I'm doing it at the slow pace because it gives me more reaction time. Damn.
I got a plan. You'll get those toys out somehow, man. And with a glimmer in his eye, he continued on to say, "You got that big old rig parked up and back, and with some help from the elves, we'll get her packed, and it won't be long before you're on your way. Have Mrs. Claus warm a pot of Joe, fill a 64-ounce cup to go, and climb on in that 18-wheel sleigh. Santa Claus, beep beep. Gotta hit that open road while the kiddos sleep. Put the pedal to the metal, get your boots on the shingle, don't bring on night, you're ready for spring. This 18-wheel chrome and steel sleigh."
What?
Said, "That's a heck of a plan. What better way to cross this land than 80,000 pounds of iron on wheels?
Damn.
We'll start in Portland, Oregon, skip across to Singapore, then Saigon by 12 convenient stops in Paris, France. We'll finish east and western European. There's plenty of children there to serve. A little something underneath their tree. And from the Outback to the Serengeti, Istanbul to Mexico City, those boys and girls know they can count on me.
Really?
Go, Santa, go, beep, beep. Gotta hit that open road while the kiddos sleep. Put the pedal to the metal, get your boots on the shingle, don't bring on night, and your buddy ring ring. This 18-wheel chrome and steel sleigh.
Serious? What the fuck, man? This is top of that. Look. Come on.
It's early night without a stop, with a little help from some friendly cops.
Come on.
Not a house on the trail that he
Let's fucking go. I'm ready.
back to Baltimore. He's got all the things they want in store for everyone that made it on his list.
Okay, 3.
Go, Santa, go, beep, beep. Gotta hit that open road while the kiddos sleep. Put the pedal to the metal, get your boots on the shingle, don't bring on night, and your buddy ring ring.
Really?
This 18-wheel chrome and steel sleigh.
Let's go. Man, this game is so slow. Speaking of which, we're ending this episode here anyway, right now. I hope y'all enjoyed this episode of ATS Season 2. If you're enjoying the series, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, smash that bell so you don't miss a single video. And let me know in the comments for for question of the day. What's your favorite channel tracker, NORAD or Google? Love to hear your love to see your comments down below. And I'll see you guys I'll see you guys tomorrow night for a live stream, and then And then the next day we'll have the a Santa Tracker video update. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.